You're welcome to today's lesson. In today's class, we're going to be looking at word problem involving HCF and LCM. We have learned how to find the HCF and LCM of numbers. If you're in doubt or you're not sure of how to do that, please play my video on HCF and LCM. But today we're looking at word problem involving LCM and HCF. But the question is, when do we use HCF or LCM? We use HCF when the word problem involves sharing. When it involves what? Sharing. When it involves sharing or dividing. But we use LCM when the word problem leads to repetition of events occurring at the same time. So when a word problem leads to an event occurring at the same time or repetition of an event, that means you're going to find out the LCM. But when the word problem is about sharing equally, the highest possible share, that means you are looking at HCF. So let's take these following examples to understand the question, to understand the topic. In the first question, 3 boys have pieces of rope measuring 24 centimeters, 36 centimeters, and 60 centimeters long. They want to cut the ropes into pieces of equal lengths without any rope left over. What is the greatest possible length of each piece? So in this case, they want to divide. So we're going to use the HCF because it involves sharing or dividing. So I will have here 24 centimeter, 36 centimeter, and 60 centimeter. So what are we going to do? Find the HCF of 24, 36, and 60. Let me find the HCF. I'll divide with 2. 24, it will give me 12. 2 again into 24 will give me what? 6. 2 into 6 will give me what? 3. 3 into 3 will give what? 1. Now let's divide 36. 2 into 36 will give 18. 2 into 18 will give 9. 3 into 9 will give 3, and 3 into 3 will give 1. Let's come to 60. 2 into 60 will give 30. 2 into 30 will give 15. 3 into 15 will give what? 5. And 5 into 5 will give 1. So let's express 24 as a product of its prime factors. So also 36 as a product of its prime factors, and 60 as a product, so that we can find our HCF. Now let's express this as a product of their prime factor. 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We can see it. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And we see it 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. While 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So we're going to bring out the ones that are common. 2 is common. 2 again is a common. What else do we have? 3. 3. So the HCF is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the HCF is 12 centimeter. So the pieces should be 12 centimeter long. The length of the piece should be what? 12 centimeter long for each of them. Let's look at the second example. 2 traffic lights change at intervals of 30 seconds and 45 seconds. If they change together at 12 noon, after how many seconds will they change together again? Now this one is about an event occurring at the same time or repetition of an event. That means we're going to use what? LCM. We're going to use what? LCM. Let's find out the LCM of 30 and 45. Okay, let's find the LCM. Here we have 2. Can go into 30 to give us what? 15. We cannot go into 45. We bring out 45. What we divide? 3. 3 dividing 15 will give us 5. And 3 divided 45 will give what? 15. What else will divide? 3. 3 dividing, we cannot divide 5, bring down 5. Into 15 will give me what? 5. Now what can divide again? 5. 5 into 5 is 1. So the LCM of 30 and 45 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6 times 3 times 5. That will give me what? 90. So the event will come up after the traffic lights, they will come up together after what? 90 seconds. 90 what? Seconds. Very simple. Remember, we use HCF when the word problem involves sharing equally or dividing, whereas we use LCM when the word problem is about events occurring at the same time or scheduling events to meet at the same point, to occur at the same time. That is when you use LCM. So keep practicing and solve the question displayed and put your answer in the comments.